This coverage of SHOT Show 2024 is brought to you by Thrunite.
You're ripping through fish. So when I got this one, I actually didn't sharpen my 9-inch blade all season long. That was my gut feel blade. I got used to it. So that was a big takeaway for me. So, yeah, it was really nice. Anything else, Kendra?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's, we spent some time together beginning of the summer. We've obviously got these 2 fillet knives, which you guys are getting a chance to see now. But Brody, you were able to carry the folder and also get your hands on the fixed blades as well. So it would be kind of nice to just hear a little bit more about the rest of the line as well. You've got the intersect on your Pincus, and we had the undercurrent as well. We're using that, so maybe you can just share a little bit about those as well.
Yeah, the undercurrent was kind of my safety knife. That was like at arm's reach at all times, which was really nice. I liked that size blade for it and stuff like that. That was.
We were out there. We were using that to cut bait. Kind of like had it at the ready. So it was just sort of, like you said, just available for whatever you needed. Anything else? What were we doing with it other than cutting bait?
I mean, honestly, it cut a lot of leaders for me, which was really nice. We obviously needed on the boat. So that was like kind of my everyday grab when I was like prepping bait for crabbing, but also just doing simple boat casts, having bags open, doing whatever needed to be done. So that was my close to home one, and that would also come off the boat with me a lot if I was going camping or just kind of doing the fun thing.
You guys stick around, and we've got some awesome content up here. Once again, you'll see that knife in action, like Brody's saying, at camp and then on the boat. So really versatile. And then you've got the smaller fixed blade, the intersect in your Vids. And I know that one was awesome for you as well because we flip it and it was just with you at all times, which was really a bonus.
Yeah, I actually left the intersect stationary and I was kind of by my cup holder. It just worked really well there for me just because of the size. Just a little bit smaller than the undercurrent, which I really like. So that one was also it was within our
How's the grip on the handle? Your hands are getting a little
slimy. I'm getting real slimy.
Is that working for you?
Yeah, the centering handle is nice. When I first grabbed it, I wasn't sure of it. But as you can see, as I'm flying, I'm constantly moving the knife within my hand. So I don't necessarily want a big bulky handle. I would like the grip, you see all the grip on it. So it's nice to be able to kind of come in and flip the blade and then kind of do different cuts. I just switch to the 7 on this one. But yeah, just the maneuvering of the blade is good.
Dish wrappers feature our select edge, which is a really fine edge, extremely sharp, as Brody said, and demonstrating here. Our waterline features a white laser mark, which is different than the rest of our product. Our product comes with a standard black laser mark, and the white is just more corrosion resistant. So you can have some material that kind of shows the tests that we've done and found that the white was going to withstand the environments around water a bit more. So a lot of great features from the handles to the blade steel, the edge, the laser mark. It's a great line.
Cuts quickly. When I hit the dock, like I said earlier, if I got 20, 30 fish to go through, I'm not sitting there midway through having to put my blade through a stone or touch it up or anything crazy like that. It just saves me time, which is why I love this blade ultimately.
Any questions for Brody? Like what you see?
I want to give a big shout out to Thrunite who made this trip possible. So I've been carrying only Thrunite flashlights for SHOT Show 2024. If you know Thrunite, they've got budget-friendly lights. They've got lights from the most compact to full-size throwers. A wide variety of options available. Check out the links down in the description below for more from Thrunite and make a solid light.